channel Computer Science for All. First of all, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please click on the bell icon and subscribe now for regular updates. So, in the last video of Google Forms, we learned about creating assessments using Google Forms. So after my last videos, I got many questions like how to add instructions in Google Forms, how to use the file upload option, or even how to use the paragraph questions. So today we will learn some more features about Google Form assessments. So let's get started. So here I am opening my Google Form. Okay, so let us take any form that we have already built in here. Okay, so ये मेरे पास एक form है, right? So for example, I want to create assessment for my school, right? So here I will write the name of my school, any school I have, and form description में मैं लिख सकती हूँ, for example अगर वो class test है तो मैं लिख सकती हूँ class test 1 etc. Right? Now I want to take the name of the student so that I get to know कि मेरा जो assessment है वो किस बच्चे ने fill किया है, right? So instead of adding a question, I am going to click on the plus icon here and I will write student name, and I can use the short answer option for taking the student name, and I will make this field as a required field so that every child who is filling the assessment fills his name. I can do the same thing for class and section also. Class and section के लिए मैं क्या कर सकती हूँ, मैं वहाँ पे multiple choice भी दे सकती हूँ. So for class and section, I can use like option 1 is 10th A, option B is 10th B, option C is 10th C. Now this is how you can get the student name and class and section enter. Now there was a question how to add some title or how to add general instructions. So for example, I want to add general instructions before taking the student name. So here if you can see, you click here and इसके बाद आपको instructions add करनी है, तो you will click on the add title and description button, because this does not take any entry from the user, but it is used only to write the title and the description. So you can write the title here, and here you can write general instructions. यहाँ पे आप अपने instructions लिख सकते हैं, like you want to write all questions are mandatory, right? Even you want the student to fill the date of the assessment, जैसे कि हम answer sheets में basically fill करवाते हैं. For that you can write here date of assessment, date of assessment, and यहाँ पे मैं date data type choose करूँगी, और so that the student is filling the date, and I will make this option as a required one. Okay. Now I even want to give it a heading like it is a class test 1. तो मैं यहाँ पे click करूँगी plus icon. Okay, I'll delete it from here. So instead of clicking where you want it exactly below this title. So यहाँ पे करके I'll click on this button. So this is my class test 1. Okay, so now this is my form where I have written class test 1. I have given some instructions. Let's see how this form is going to look like to the student. So let's open it in some other browser, and I'll paste this URL here. See, these are the general instructions. This is the date of assessment, student name, and the classes section. The student can fill like this. So you can, this way you can add instructions, your headings, the date of the assessment, and class and section, etc. So this is how we can add instructions in your Google form. There was one more question from the teachers, that how we can use the file upload option. तो फाइल अपलोड ऑप्शन के लिए हमें क्या करना है? इट्स वेरी सिंपल. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, यू हैव रिटन एनी क्वेश्चन हेयर, राइट? सो इंस्टेड ऑफ मल्टीपल चॉइस, अगर आपको पैराग्राफ क्वेश्चन देना है तो आप पैराग्राफ पे क्लिक करेंगे. इफ यू वांट टू गिव द फाइल अपलोड ऑप्शन, सो यू विल क्लिक ऑन द फाइल अपलोड. नाउ it will give you an instruction that let respondent upload the file to the drive. That means all the files will be uploaded to your drive when the student is submitting. So you will click on the continue button and you will specify the number of files. It can be 1, 5 or maximum 10 files, and you can specify the size. For example, I am specifying here. Now you want the student to upload only PDF and image, so you can also use the you can also specify the type of file that will be uploaded by the student. So you click on the save button, because you know all the changes are automatically saved in the drive, so it is saved. Let's see once again by reloading this form. Not yet. Okay, so see, this option is now coming, so the student will be able to add his or her file as a answer to this question. So he will get an option to upload from the drive, he will get an option to upload from the system as well. So thank you so much everyone. If you like my video, please do subscribe to my channel and keep watching.